Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to track intervals on Strava. First, just go ahead and open Strava app on your phone. And once the app is open, you will land in the home page. And now here you'll see different options at the bottom. Just go and click on the record button. And once you have done that, just go ahead and choose your activity type. Click on your activity and you can choose any activity to your liking. Let's say I want to track my walk, so I'll just select walk. And then once you have done that, just go ahead and tap on the start to begin recording your workout. Now when you want to take a break or start an interval, simply just go ahead and click on pause. This will temporarily stop your activity recording. And now when you are ready to continue, tap on resume once again to start the recording again. You can repeat this process for multiple intervals during your workout. And once you are finished, you can just go ahead and tap on the pause and then click on finish to save your activity. You can just go ahead and title your walk to something like walk and then add a details and click on save activity. And that's it. We just learned how to track interval on Strava by using the pause and resume feature during our recorded activity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.